Let's be real, stress is the root cause of so much of our pain and suffering.
Social media and online presence bastardizing people's views of each other's true beliefs.
Both mental and physical, and in terms of not quite hitting the mark with what we want to express in our lives.
We have been conditioned to think that we have to do it all ourselves and that we're in this alone.
None of us can do this alone.
And really repair that family unit.
And their problems and their symptoms.
And I don't think it's even worth it to do it alone.
My role is just tightening the strings between these networks.
And participating in creating a new economy of exchange.
We can bring more harmony and peace to our communities.
Through value and AI-driven systems for compassionate interchange of resources.
As food gets more expensive in the grocery stores, and people are more upset by the long list of ingredients that aren't actually food.
Collective liberation happens when there's collective dreaming and scheming and manifesting.
We get to drop into coherent field of support and love, of witnessing, of empowerment.
It's really beautiful when you're leveraging billions of years of evolution. There's not as many drawbacks. You can have beautiful overlaps and synergies.
It is a beautiful community to be a part of, and it really is a vision to bring everyone together on land outside of the city.
We're in a very, very critical hour right now, and if we don't change things very rapidly, there's going to be a lot of suffering, so we need climate havens.
I understand as our foundation of life is belonging, spirituality, and Mother Earth.
We'll keep them safe, we'll keep them out of heat waves, we'll have food to feed them, we'll take care of their families.
And so we're just really looking at innovative ways to support community and be in community and keep that uplifting, inspired ways of doing things. We know that we're going to come to struggles, but we're together.
And compared to other things we could do to help reverse climate change,
we have allies that are really understanding what it means to go back to the land, to go back to traditional ways of building, knowing, doing.
Train people, all walks of life, in agroforestry principles and practices. It's reversing the damage.
Cultivating friendships, cultivating relationships along the trade routes. We need to bring our trade routes back.
More efficient flow of resources between people so that we can start to manifest our dreams more quickly than before.
Along with all the things that come with it, thinking about everything from soil to skillet.
Especially natural medicine, herbs, and nutrition being the primary way. Let your food be your medicine.
Food really helps bring people together.
From the earth to my mouth kind of connections.
The more connected we are to that cycle of food, the more we bring people in together to share in the harvest, share in the abundance, really appreciate the flavor.
And awareness of what they're putting in their bodies.
I think belonging is the biggest thing that we are deficient in.
People are not necessarily realizing all the abundance and value that they have.
So I love leading people in that and bringing people together for conscious connection and health.
We all want to be a part, and then we all care about each other.
Every day I meet someone new who wants the systems to change.
We can continue to live and thrive and move and shake the way that we want to. So really thinking about this in a whole other way of bringing our culture, the multi-faceted tribal communities that are yearning for place.
And how they're using their resources in the world.
There's different indigenous ways of knowing and doing, and indigenous agriculture, land restoration.
Because working within this network of inspired people, change makers from food systems.
And for maximizing biodiversity and pounds of food grown.
That was made with love and care and intention. It's just more nourishing.
To housing systems, to economic systems. I get to play this small little role and helping them do what they do in the world just a little bit better.
I'm thinking of all the people in my community that have skills and that are strong creatures of their craft.
It's a beautiful thing to be a part of. I'm grateful to be a part of this project and be able to offer my skills in a way that I believe is really, really, really valuable and very much needed.
I believe that we should camp together, learn how to grow food together.
I help people get healthy and perform their best from the inside out.
I'm really passionate about relationships and how we care about each other.
I want people to see themselves as part of our larger community, understand all the ways that we can exchange our energy, time, and resources that is more beautiful than this, transactional, late-stage capitalist economy that we're doing.
Nonviolent communication, compassionate and conscious communication is what is going to bring us to the next level of evolution in our culture.
Who you really are in the vitality that is your true nature.
Creating spaces that inspire people to connect with each other and connect with nature.
So that you can just live a better, happier life.
And through this organization, I'm finding ways to start being creative.
It's healing the connections between others.
And together we can make that happen.
I think we can create something more beautiful together. That's why I'm here.